How to make money with ChatGPT. Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will show you how to make money with ChatGPT. However, before we start our countdown, we would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. So let's get started. Introduction. Are you looking for a way to make some extra money on the side? ChatGPT might be your answer. This platform leverages machine learning and natural language processing to help you make money through conversations. By simply chatting with customers, you can earn rewards in the form of cash or gift cards. You don't even need any special skills, just a willingness to talk. What is ChatGPT? The text-based artificial intelligence model by OpenAI has gained huge popularity in a quick time. It had 1 million users in just 5 days of launch. The model has been trained with a lot of resources to respond to almost any kind of query. In the last few weeks, users across the world have been asking all sorts of questions to ChatGPT and posting the answers on social media. Joining the trend today, we asked ChatGPT how to make money with ChatGPT in 2023. The AI model came up with 7 ways of making money in 2023 using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a chatbot that allows you to make money by chatting with people. It is a simple way to make money, and all you need is a computer and an internet connection. All you have to do is sign up for an account, and then you can start chatting with people. You will be paid for every message that you send, and you can also earn money by referring other people to ChatGPT. Chat is a great way to make money online, and it is an easy way to earn extra income. It can be used for anything from online dating to selling products or services. How to make money with ChatGPT. In the last few weeks, users across the world have been asking all sorts of questions to ChatGPT and posting the answers on social media. Joining the trend today, we asked ChatGPT how to make money with ChatGPT in 2023. The AI model came up with several ways of making money in 2023 using ChatGPT. There are many ways to make money with ChatGPT. You can offer customer support, be a moderator, or even just chat with other members to earn points which can be redeemed for cash. You can also participate in surveys and polls to earn rewards. You can even share your opinion in focus groups or on social media to be rewarded for your time. No matter what you choose to do, ChatGPT makes it easy for you to make money with minimal effort. In conclusion, ChatGPT is an amazing way to make extra money without having to leave your house. With its easy-to-use platform and wide variety of earning opportunities, ChatGPT can be a great way to supplement your income. So why not give it a try today? Customer support. If you are good at customer service and enjoy helping others, you can offer your services as a customer support agent on ChatGPT. You will need to be patient and efficient in order to succeed in this role. You will be responsible for helping customers with any queries they might have and assisting them in navigating the platform. You will also need to handle complaints and suggest solutions. By providing excellent customer service, you can earn rewards such as cash or gift cards. This is a great way to make money from the comfort of your own home, and it can be done at any time of day or night. Moderator. As a moderator, you will be responsible for keeping the chat clean and organized. You will also need to help new members get started on the site and answer any questions they may have. This is a great way to earn some extra cash. You will need to be organized and have good communication skills in order to be successful in this role. You will also need to have a thorough understanding of chat's rules and regulations in order to ensure that everyone is following them. Chatting. You can also earn points by simply chatting with other members on the site. The more active you are, the more points you will earn. These points can be redeemed for cash or prizes. Chatting is a great way to make money without having to put in too much effort. All you need to do is be friendly and engaging, and you can earn rewards just for talking. By engaging in conversations with other members, you can earn rewards such as cash or gift cards. This is a great way to make money from the comfort of your own home, and it can be done at any time of day or night. Surveys and polls. You can also earn rewards by participating in surveys and polls. This is a great way to make some extra money without having to do too much work. All you need to do is answer a few questions, and you can start earning points. These points can then be redeemed for cash or prizes. By participating in surveys and polls, you can earn rewards such as cash or gift cards. This is a great way to make money from the comfort of your own home, and it can be done at any time of day or night. Focus groups. Focus groups are a great way to make money with ChatGPT. You can share your opinion and be rewarded for it. This is a great way to make some extra money without having to do too much work. All you need to do is answer a few questions and you can start earning points. These points can then be redeemed for cash or prizes. Social media. You can also make money by sharing your opinion on social media. This is a great way to make some extra money without having to do too much work. All you need to do is post about chat on platforms like Facebook and Twitter, and you can start earning rewards. These rewards can then be redeemed for cash or prizes. Pros and cons of using chat. There are a few pros and cons to using chat that you should be aware of before you start using the site. Pros: you can make money fairly easily with ChatGPT. All you need to do is chat with other members and complete offers. The more you chat, the more money you can make. There are also bonus opportunities available that can help you boost your earnings. Payments are made by PayPal, so you can receive your money quickly and easily. The site is free for all users, and there are no membership fees. Cons: some of the offers can be confusing or require you to do something specific in order to get paid. The payment per chat hour is quite low, so it can take a while to make significant money from the site. You may have to deal with some inappropriate behavior by other members at times. Because chat is a chat-based site, there is always the potential for inappropriate conversations or language to take place. If this makes you uncomfortable, chat may not be the right site for you. The site can be slow at times, which can be frustrating when you're trying to earn money. There have been some complaints about not receiving payment from ChatGPT, so make sure to keep track of your earnings and withdraw them as soon as possible. Overall, ChatGPT is a good option if you are looking to make some extra money online. Just make sure to be aware of the pros and cons before signing up. Overall, chat is a decent way to make some extra money online. So this was our today's video. I hope you all liked this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And also share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.